Pastel cutouts can be a fun and easy project. Take a piece of paper and fold it in half. And although I'm going to speed up the film, you can just cut any kind of abstract shape out of this, or a shape that you can recognize. Dark paper makes it look more dramatic. You can use the shape silhouette like that, or you can use the piece of paper that you cut it out of as kind of a mask. And what you do is you set it down, you hold it firmly in place with one hand, and you pull chalk from the paper into the middle, and that's what you get. These are pretty fun. There's one where I flipped the tracer twice, so I had it one way, and then I flipped it over the other way. And then you can cut out something you recognize, and it doesn't have to be symmetrical. These happen to be symmetrical. I laid them down on the paper and pulled the chalk from the paper, the white paper, to the construction paper. I'm doing the same thing with this dude. So it's just kind of a fun effect.